welcome back to Roadthrills. Today, we have something special for all the tractor enthusiasts out there: the John Deere 2025R 4x4 mini tractor. This compact yet powerful machine is designed for small farms, landscaping, and heavy-duty tasks while maintaining efficiency and ease of use. We'll go over its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to help you decide if this is the right tractor for your needs. Starting with the exterior, the 2025R carries the signature John Deere green and yellow design, giving it a classic, professional look. It features a sturdy, compact frame that makes it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces while still being durable enough to handle heavy workloads. The four-wheel drive capability ensures better traction on rough terrain, making it reliable in different working conditions. It comes with a standard rollover protective structure, ROPS, ensuring safety during operation. The ground clearance is adequate, making it suitable for fields, gardens, and uneven terrains. The hydraulic connections at the rear and mid-mount allow for a variety of attachments like loaders, mowers, and tillers, making it a truly versatile machine. Moving to the interior and operator's station, the John Deere 2025R is built for comfort and ease of use. The spacious open platform provides easy access to controls, and the adjustable seat with armrests ensures a comfortable ride, even during long hours of operation. The dashboard is simple yet informative, featuring a digital display for fuel level, RPM, and other key indicators. The power steering and ergonomic control levers make operation smooth, reducing fatigue for the operator. Plus, the two-pedal hydrostatic transmission makes forward and reverse movement effortless, eliminating the need for clutching and shifting. When it comes to performance, the John Deere 2025R is equipped with a 24.2 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine, known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. The hydrostatic transmission with twin touch pedals makes it easy to control speed and direction, improving precision. The 3-point hitch and 540 RPM rear PTO provide excellent lifting and attachment capabilities, handling implements like backhoes, front loaders, and rotary cutters with ease. With a lift capacity of around 882 pounds, 400 kilograms, at the rear and a loader capacity of about 955 pounds, 433 kilograms, it's strong enough for most small-scale farming and landscaping jobs. The four-wheel drive and differential lock ensure that it remains stable and performs well even on wet or uneven ground. Now, let's talk pricing. The John Deere 2025R is positioned in the compact utility tractor segment and typically costs between $20,000 to $25,000, depending on dealer location, optional features, and attachments. Adding a front loader, backhoe, or mower deck can increase the price, but John Deere often offers financing options, making it accessible for small farm owners and landscapers. Overall, the John Deere 2025R is a well-balanced mini tractor offering durability, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you need it for farming, landscaping, or general property maintenance, this machine is built to perform. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.